Donald Trump again changed market sentiment. This time, the US president encouraged investors. The White House announced the intention to delay 10% tariffs on some Chinese imports scheduled to come into force from September 1st. Now these tariffs are set to be imposed on December 15. In this context, the benchmark US stock indexes opened today with an advance. Later in the North American trade, the indexes clawed back all losses incurred yesterday due to anti-government clashes in Hong Kong. The Dow Jones Industrial Average sharply climbed to 26,400. Besides, the welcome news made a positive impact on Forex. The US dollar index eventually escaped from a range where it had been trading for a few days in a row. The index rose to the level of 97.80. Importantly, traders rushed to buy the US dollar in response to the news from the White House. Though an hour earlier, traders got to know upbeat data on consumer inflation in the United States. The US Labor Department reported that consumer inflation increased to 1.8% in July in annual terms, after advancing 1.6% in June. Analysts made a cautious forecast for a 1.7% gain. With such readings, the Federal Reserve has an excuse to refrain from deeper rate cuts. Nevertheless, the US dollar finds it hard to develop a steady rally versus its Canadian rival. As investors were betting on the compromise in the trade talks between the United States and China, oil prices rebounded to the level above $60 a barrel, thus providing commodity currencies with support. The loonie is no exception. After sharp swings, the CAD USD pair is consolidating at near 1.3240. That's all for today. We wish you profitable deals. See you back on the InstaForex TV channel tomorrow.